I'm getting used to it. Her back camera, everything.
It's your location.
Yeah.
What did you get?
Just margarita. Really
You're so good.
What'd you get? Oh, you got the
Anchovy. I asked Nicole where you live, and she said, I said, what neighborhood does Soup live in? She said, Manhattan. That's all I knew.
Right.
Uh-oh, do we not have napkins?
Do you need anything else? You got some chili?
No. Actually? Yes.
Or is it, is that
I would fuck with some chili peppers.
I think they have chili oil.
This is not the same, right? This is something else.
I don't know, but can you maybe...
Get the napkin.
Not to rush you.
Wow.
Oh yeah, don't touch his hair.
I know.
I know, you almost did though. You're like 1 centimeter away.
Oh, there you go.
And she put, he was like SCP soup, and she like spelled it S-O-U-P.
Well, SCP sounds like sup.
And I actually looked it up on eBay the other day, and they don't make them anymore. And so they're really, really expensive.
Oh, shaped like a butterfly?
I can't picture what you're talking about at all.
That's a good karaoke song.
Crazy Town?
Oh my god, I've never seen that before.
Rachel, I saw your repost showed up on my TikTok.
Maybe if you wanted a marshmallow, they have a frozen marshmallow.
Yeah, I'm wondering if they have the option to not put regular.
Oh, you wanted a frozen hot chocolate?
That sounds pretty good.
It's really good. It's really good. We want to try some vanilla before yours comes.
Maybe. How is that?
I mean,
Does it seem
I
accurate?
feel like it just, I don't know if it actually works, but it did change my horoscope when you put the penny in what your sign is.
Yeah.
You are the artistic type, sensitive and intelligent, eagerly seeking for beauty and serenity. Don't have a hard time being practical. I think, and I also put in Pisces, which is like our characteristics. So, what she did, she was capturing me eating her tortilla in the morning, pre-makeup. I was like, you have too many followers. Make sure I look good. And also, I couldn't help there.
That was weird.
It is like a strawberry shortcake. Okay. Ooh, the coffee ice cream. Pro pick. Yeah. It's rich, but there's chunks of chocolate in it. I like when there's extra texture.
Me too.
Eat as much as you want, please.
Yes.
It's not gonna be that much, but
I'm roping you in.
oh, this board is bigger than I remember. Really enjoying this.
Okay. Ready? I feel like this is literally the one I pulled when I was showing you the example. Not that it matters because you don't remember, but it looked almost exactly the same. Okay. Grommet.
Oh.
Grimace.
Grimace.
Sorry, fuck.
I'm like, those are two very different things.
I couldn't remember. Okay, I have it. Sadder. Oh, this is not okay.
Oh, come on. Dang, I get 0?
4 points for Christina though.
And 4 points for Rachel.
Man, this game sucks.
I like the carrot dressings the best. Yeah. Do you know what I'm talking about? No.
With ginger in it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought you meant like purely carrot. We can go on like that. Thank you.
Oh, the dressing's on the side.
Oh, bad.
And here's my issue. There's food products shouldn't be coming out of business school. You know? Why are we relying on business people? You good?
I think I'm good.
Yeah.
This dressing is really good. It's kind of salty, but not in a bad way.
All over the place.
Try it, it's good.
No, I'm fine.
Somehow this has even more noodles than I expected.
So, yeah.
Somehow this has even more noodles than I expected.
Candy before you see your product.
What? Lemon and lime's good. For sour?
What is black beef Garcia?
That's the translation. It's Swedish.
Oh, I thought that was the I thought that was the foamy pear ovals. We gotta try these.
What are they?
Foamy pear ovals.
Phony?
Uh-huh.
That's what called your name?
We have to try it. Aren't you intrigued?
I think you should get fewer.
Really?
Well, you're gonna get like multiple things.
We all want to try one.
Yeah, but you have like 10. That's good. That's good.
Ben and his friends.
Oh no, not. Don't worry about them.
But I'm gonna be like, you want to try a foamy candy? And they're gonna be like, yeah.
Oh, foamy. I thought you were saying phony, like phony.
Like fake.
Yeah, yeah.
A lot of people get them. These are hard to see.
What's this one that you're getting?
Passion fruit and pineapple schools.
Oh, that one sounds good.
Can I get one of the wild strawberry and pomegranate?
Wait, sour Swedish fish sounds kind of fire. Above. Nicole's just doing her bidding.
What about a sour lemon lip?
She doesn't like lemon, apparently.
Maybe we need to get like 2.
Okay, we gotta try
Okay, get the foamy pear out.
Oh, it's all stuck together. Alright. So you gotta try it together.
The foamy pear doesn't.
Oh.
I
Sorry.
don't know how I feel about it.
It's all sticky and stuck. Alright.
Wait.
Yours is ugly. Oh. Or like, because I ripped it on accident.
Actually, oh, here,
Light.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. It's good. I like it.
I like it.
I like it too.
Here, have a lens to cleanse.
Is it the texture or the flavor?
It doesn't taste like, it tastes like banana.
Have a lens to cleanse.
You're making me mix chocolate and sour.
I don't know. I just like
Give me a sour Swedish fish. How much was this bag?
18.
Oh, that's not as bad as I thought. I've seen a lot of videos online.
You don't
where-
want to eat the lens right
Not
now.
right now. I've seen a lot of videos online where
strawberry
people
mallow?
like spend
No,
so
wait, no,
much
I'm gonna
money.
get
Oh,
the.
the lemon lip.
If I can find it. There's something yellow here. Oh, this is sweet.
I don't know about this foaminess.
I don't mind the foam. I'm gonna try the strawberry mallow.
No?
No, no.
Oh. That's not really what I.
Not what you expected.
Why?
Because like, you know how most marshmallows are like really airy. It, like once you bite into it, it kind of condenses more. You know what I mean?
They'll be similar language.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to.
Oh, the coordination.
It's camouflage. I had for a while than anything.
No, she's in a lot of stuff.
Since BLL.
I think she's been in a lot of stuff. Well, maybe not a lot, but she's still been on other stuff. It's not a no. I think it's compared to like a loaf, like a proper loaf. Lemon puff. What's a lemon puff? Oh, I don't like those. Someone asked me to make those on.
This one is fine, but
Maybe when I said less sugar, they thought I meant only one of them would have less sugar, and it's this one. Here, just mix them. Open yours. This is like a science thing. Open your cup.
You guys remember Miss Frizzle?
Of course. Wait, no, pour. No.
from Magic School Bus.
Yeah.
Pour back. Okay.
Oh,
No, that's fine. That's fine.
For me.
I was thinking about Miss Frizzle.
Okay, where do you want to start?
Where'd that come from? Where'd it come from?
What?
Miss Frizzle.
I was thinking about science. That's what she said.
What's in this one again?
Coconut with a bolo topping. It's just like a sweet, like kind of like a concha. Well, it looks the same.
I was worried that they're gonna see. He was like trying to hide the cup behind
Oh,
her.
they don't care.
Is this like a known good place that you heard about or been to before?
I've been here. This is my favorite bowl though, I think. Also, it's hard to find the coconut ones.
What are you laughing about?
This ramen is not what I expected. It's nice.
Have you never had a oh my god, wait, I did. I sent me a picture of her eating their first pineapple bun, so I also need just hold it up.
Stuff inside.
You can't really see it though.
Is there stuff inside?
Yeah, it's just white. It's the same color as the bread.
Oh yeah.
And then one small chicken.
Oh, I brought you one of
Do
chicken.
you want egg in it?
Sure.
And can we have that one? There's egg. No egg. Yeah, no egg in the beef.
Christina seems very peaceful.
She's just along for the ride.
It is true.
Have you had shrimp fed? Have you gotten dim sum? Have we taken you? Oh.
No, not with you.
How much was all this?
It's probably like $15 total, right? And on the order of
Yeah, because we're doing 4 of them or what?
3, yeah?
4,
We're doing 4. We're doing a chicken.
1 big and 3 small
Which is the big one, the beef?
shrimp. Because I figured some people will probably want to eat it.
She seems amused by me, not angry, which is good.
That's staying in the cut.
Wait, where does this
You're
go?
recording. I can never tell what it's on. I thought you were gonna take that off.
Verdict? You're not as excited as soup.
It's good.
What kind of chicken?
I mean,
did
because
they
I'm not
Like
a
ground
new
chicken?
picturing
Yeah,
fun, you know, quite seasoned.
buy? Oh, it's kind of like the beef one, but they did
That's-
chicken.
Here,
Wait, Christina, did you say you have had churn fun at
don't-
dim sum?
maybe. I feel
So
like
usually, these shoes are good for Asian spotting.
Very stable.
I
I'll do not
completely
in
flat Asian squat.
That's what you're supposed to do.
My heels are still a little raised.
Oh, it's really sticky. Oh yeah, normally not that sticky.
Yeah, normally it's really hard for me to pick up with my chopsticks.
It's annoying they didn't give us chopsticks.
Everyone's just watching me pick it up and it slides down. I'm like, sorry, my chopsticks are tainting this whole dish.
Yeah, you want to eat shrimp?
Oh, I do a bit.
Woo! Oh boy.
Does anyone want chicken?
Nah. Ooh, it's chicken in there.
Watch out for the hot sauce, Christina.
Okay.
Soup said it.
I thought it was fine.
Well, you did a woo, or did Nicole do that?
Me.
Oh. Sometimes I'll hear someone like say something, and I clock the sentiment, but I don't clock who's like I don't attribute to anyone.
Remember in Mammoth, you already decided I was the most woo girl. I'm a woo girl.
You keep on saying woo?
Woohoo! Woo. I'm like a sim. This one's the best one.
Which one?
The beef.
I don't really eat that much pork either.
Ooh, there's an ant on your clog.
Thank you. Probably. But I'm different.
I probably already have it in, like, I have a strengthened immune system because I hang out around so many toddlers and babies.
Their mango's really good.
Yeah.
Have you been here before? No?
But I'm saying like the actual mango is like ripe.
Yeah.
Because that's why it's a hit or miss. Nothing.
What's at the bottom?
Yeah, there's something at the bottom. Is that red? Is that the red beans?
No, this didn't have red bean. I wouldn't have gotten it. Maybe some kind of syrup.
We close this?
They say the last person closes it. Which is Christina.
Yeah, close
Yeah,
it.
close it, close it.
Family stories that we'll tell today. I always like to give a little bit of background about the buildings that we'll be looking at and a little bit more about the history of the museum as well. This is a very special tour. It's the only tour that goes across both buildings that we have here at the museum. So I'll give a little bit more history about 97 Orchard Street once we head over there. And that is the first building where we started doing tours here at the museum.
think it must have been like a standard or something. Thanks.
It'd be interesting to look at the different floor plans and
Yeah.
see how much they've reused.
Yeah, this like.
What's interesting to me is kind of like these embellishments. They seem like, if I didn't know the original, I'm like, they almost kind of look like a hot glue situation.
Like cake frosting.
Right.
Right. Lots of embellishments, lots of ornate detail as well that I really didn't expect to see the first time I came here. A lot of what we do see was added in after the Gupper's family lived here. Right, originally there is no heat, there's no running water, and there's no gas or electric lighting in the building.
In middle school, it was on. My parents found a really early Christmas list.
You have a good day.
And like 10-year-old me was like, I want a fuzz table hat. So I was like, what are the ones I wanted? Those were cool. Those tables were cool.
At a moment, but it came and went. Y'all wanna play with him?
Disclaimer,
Dark
right
week,
now
I can
don't
have-
AC.
Oh.
So just remember that.
Sometimes-
However, I have Colt LaCroix.
Oh, they want pets. Look, they want pets. Oh.
They are really.
They recommend it. I actually don't get drunk enough.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Someone want to lead the way? Oh wait, you're not gonna eat meatball. Oh yeah, wait, but you like a meatball.
Can you cut one so that I don't eat a whole one?
Ooh.
Thank you.
Like,
Yeah, make sure you get some sauce. That one's a little dry, you know?
Does anyone want more lambrusco? Can you pass this bag is really cramping our style.
That's like getting dry exercise. This opportunity. Let's try something new. Sorry.
let's see the verdict.
So
Do you like your better? What about the sandwich style? Do you still prefer cream cheese? Over, it's like definitely heavier. This is a huge bagel.
Yeah, I don't know
so-
if I'd be able to finish it all. I think it's different. Like, I like this because I'm hungrier. But then, like,
Yeah, it's definitely hardier.
but like more.
No, I didn't say that. I just said it in the background. Blood.
It's the star of the show. Maybe I'll get one for Ben to go and then we can all try it later because he loves cinnamon. And I could pretend I'm being just a nice girlfriend.
No, you don't have further.
So if you want to try any, you're more than welcome. It's a little.
Have a bite. I really am full.
I have this picture somewhere, and then they would have this like tiny ruler, and they would measure your books.
Did you get any apricot?
I'm gonna take another bite of that side, I think. You mostly don't, but it was good.
Not the best combination I've ever seen.
This probably was not an undercurrent of happiness anywhere in
Yeah,
there.
will you do mine now?
All right.
Or hope
You gotta pull.
Yeah.
Actually, you shuffle and do
Okay.
the whole shebang.
Why?
Okay, then we have to play games.
Okay.
What games
Just
did you
one
guys
reading.
play?
One reading.
We're very limited.
Yeah,
We have Hues and Cues
Monopoly Deal,
and the new one that you
and the new
got.
one I haven't.
Wait,
Hughes and Cues?
Yeah.
Hughes and
But
Cues?
is
That
there
one's
a
fun.
limited number of people that can play?
I think it might be 6, but we can do teams.
I also don't mind you and
Roll the
June.
pigs, and depending
Rachel, you
on how
become
they
like an
land, you get
Indian
points.
dad with this
But if they
camera.
land,
I know, I like it.
a
It's like a
certain way, like,
camcorder.
on their sides with one
I think that this is like the modern
point
day
and one no
camcorder. I
point,
keep
then
telling people
you're
that. I keep.
round.
Wait, is this us?
Yes, that's. Okay, come
I
on.
didn't finish myself. How do you decide?
Rachel, are you? Is this just a film experiment to
Supposed
you?
be the youngest,
Yes.
apparently.
Here. Okay, wait. Can I explain some rules to Sue Paula before we like give away our
Yeah, 'cause I
situation?
kinda don't remember how pile of. Oh, that one has high rent.
Do you ever say my twin, or do you just always say my brother?
Why would she say?
I don't know. It's like it's more than a brother. Have you seen your brother yet?
Yeah. Saw him yesterday.
Where does he live?
Did I do one?
Union Square.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
There's a Union Square here, or
Here.
I don't know. Things
Yeah,
about
it's
other
close to
places.
East Village.
Okay.
So if somebody charges
But this one has
rent,
a
Oh
higher-
right, if you didn't have it
No.
and I charged
Oh,
you
because
rent,
this counts as
and
like
there's
This
no
is a
like
higher
change
potential,
given,
I
so you
think.
have to
So I
like
would do it this way.
In the long run,
cover
keep
the
it
value
closer.
of the
then I would
property.
just take your
Yeah.
property.
Okay,
You could,
so
and another strategy
we'll
could just be
do-
like put low value properties out too.
So if you were to charge Ben
Okay.
5 million, though, you'd get.
I'd have to give you that.
we're gonna do put money down, put a property down,
there's
and then
a
we're gonna
stack,
charge rent.
Then
So
you could-
everyone
you
owes
could
us
take
2.
one.
So, and you have to fly to SF all the time.
Yeah, you guys are like exactly. I won't, and then back home.
We can make it work. I might have to split up. Or you consider that Bay Area? I can't remember. I know some people do, but
We have some of the same culture.
It's part of the same metro service area, I think.
did they say hella?
Yeah.
It's nice that it's pre-sauce.
I feel like they're just kind of what we needed. Well, although you want the fried chicken sandwich, but I'm like, this feels a little lighter.
This is really good though.
How's salmon burger?
Good.
It's hot soup.
Really good.
The teriyaki is good. It's not like a really sweet teriyaki. Rahul, you're eating like you've been starved.
We didn't eat much.
You have been starved?
No one look at me.
Wait, this might be
It's kind of more chunky. I mean, I could be wrong.
No way, man. This is pretty lame. So good.
I'm glad they're doing better. I think they reopened a lot of restaurants.
Why did they close some?
There's a bunch last time we were here.
Oh,
They only had like 3 open.
yeah. Wow, and since then, they, well, they're so freaking good.
Ooh, the chili. Look at the chili. I don't think this is the right dumpling, but it's good.
not like getting anything else. I'm very.
This is pork and cabbage.
He's more figured out as there's a natural place.
Scalper.
This stop is Myrtle Avenue and Fleet Place.
How would it not be Scalper?
Next stop, Myrtle Avenue and Ashland Place. This stop is Myrtle Avenue and Ashland Place.
Well, no, the thing fell.
Oh, I thought you were just
A peak.
scooping off just the little guy.
Yeah, I was putting him back on.
Okay, we got 2 It's Nices. That's a lot for Christina. Okay.
Want to try this one? It's pretty good. Pretty good.
What is that one? But at least the Blue Star dough, it's like melt in your mouth.
No, it's not.
That's what I thought. I like when donuts like have that meltiness. It's like,
Can I take a napkin, Christina? Oh, I
Hello?
was like, why is this guy approaching us? Donut.
Okay.
sit next to you.
Sure. Are you making a video?
You know.
How's it going?
It's facing
I'm
down.
good. How are you?
Actually, I can just stand.
No, there's so much. Literally,
Plenty of room.
like a foot of room. Hi guys.
So I,
Nope. Is it like
Dan, can you guess what he asked?
I asked if this was coming.
He said, "Can we play Dion?"
Will this be in attendance? We don't have to play.
We should play. Oh, now everyone's warmed up.
This guy's
from
obsessed.
days of practice.
I feel like we played so many times we're all like overly
yeah, it's no
invested
more
in-
like
yeah.
onboarding to.
Yeah.
So far, I've got
This
3
was my
wins
favorite
under
one,
my belt
actually.
this trip.
Do you?
I think I have 3 too.
3 wins?
2 or 3.
Who wants donuts? I
I
just
have
wanted to
3
try all them. I'm done.
Actually, I like the Danny Boy. You didn't
Danny
try
Boy's
the
good.
calamansi.
Wait, I want to try
right?
What's a
calamansi.
Danny boy?
Dan should try the Danny
Right
Boy.
here,
Yeah.
sitting right in front of me.
It's a
What is this?
caramel.
That-
Oops.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Anyway. Yesterday you were doing this,
I know.
and like it
No.
5 mil for favor.
Here you go.
And what if you never see Winker again?
Enjoy. I don't think that's gonna happen.
What do you mean?
I don't know. When Dan doesn't have any
I
trips to
spent
LA
time in
planned.
LA.
Yes, he does.
Oh, are you
Sure.
going on tour?
You literally commented on the post yesterday.
It's
You
okay.
should come over see Winker.
That's how you know I'm supportive is if I comment
Good.
and I have no idea what it says.
I was looking at the flyer yesterday.
Something.
Nicole, come down for the Porches show in LA.
Probably
Is Henry
why in San
Fonda the
Francisco.
music box? The little square.
What time is
Aren't
it?
those different?
Oh, is that
Awesome.
different?
Do you have to leave?
11:21.
Don't start something you can't finish.
I can finish the game.
Where do you have to go?
I used to have a lot of work to do.